Combination of resistors. Dear students, in electrical circuit, resistors are combined in different fashion. Many times, it is necessary to find equivalent resistance of all these resistances. In this video, we are going to find equivalent resistance of series and parallel arrangement of resistors. Resistance in series. Two resistors are said to be in series if only one of their endpoints are joined with each other. Here, potential difference across R1 and R2 are V1 and V2 respectively. As flow of current remains same in series combination, potential difference across R1 and R2 is V1 equals to IR1 and V2 equals to IR2 respectively. Also, potential difference V along the series combination is given by V equal to V1 plus V2, which is equal to IR1 plus IR2, which is equal to I into bracket R1 plus R2, where R1 plus R2 is equals to R equivalent, that is equivalent resistance. If number of resistance, say R1, R2 up to Rn are joined in series, then Req is equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2 plus up to plus Rn. Resistance in parallel. If two or more resistors are connected in such a way that two ends of one resistor is joined to both ends of other resistor, then the arrangement is parallel arrangement of resistors. In parallel combination, potential difference remains same across the combination, but current is divided, that is, current flows partly through R1 and partly through R2. If I1 is current flowing through R1 and I2 is current flowing through R2, then current flowing across combination is I equals to I1 plus I2. Therefore, potential difference across the combination is V equal to I1 R1 and V equal to I2 R2. So current I we get is I equals to V by R1 plus V by R2, which is equal to V into bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Therefore, I equals to V upon R equivalent. Hence, 1 upon R equivalent equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Therefore, 1 upon R equivalent equal to into bracket R1 plus R2 upon R1 into R2. So, equivalent resistance R equivalent equal to R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. For n resistors, 1 upon R equivalent equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus up to 1 upon Rn. Many times circuit have combination of series and parallel resistors, and with the knowledge of series and parallel combination of resistors, it is possible to find equivalent resistors of this circuit. I hope you understood this topic very well.